Fred Pasco Mwonge are my names. So welcome at the Equator Line in Uganda. I'm here with Mrs.
Julius.
Julius.
Vivek.
Manish. From India, right?
Yeah.
So we are right now at the Equator Line in Uganda. We're going to do an experiment to prove that the forces of the north and the forces of south runs in the cell. So north of the equator data spins clockwise. South of the equator data spins anti-equator line spin. So India, Germany, Netherlands, Kampala, including the north. South Africa, Australia, Tanzania, Rwanda, including the south. So what about on this funnel? In the north, they will be spinning clockwise. After we stabilize. So here I'm making the water stable. Then I put this flour to show the direction. On the north, the water spins clockwise. Then in Uganda, on the 21st March and the 23rd September, they're called the equinox days. On those 2 days, when you stand on the equator line, you have no shadow. The sun is overhead. This is global in the north, and let's go to the south.
South side.
South side.
Gobi Valley.
See the difference now? Yeah. Then there are 13 countries that are crossed by the equator line in the whole world.
13 countries.
Yes, that is Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome, Gabon, Congo Brazzaville, Congo DRC, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Indonesia, Peru, countries of the equator line. So on the 21st March and the 23rd September, they're called the equinox days in Uganda. Those 2 days, when you stand on the equator line, you have no shadow because the sun is overhead. So last month of 23rd, those 2 days you don't have no shadow. I'm just going to put on the screen.